Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I would like to wish each and every one of you guys a happy new year. Hope everyone is starting their new year the right way. I am super excited to be back and to bring you guys today's video. I couldn't wait to share this amazing announcement with you guys. I'm super excited to partner up with Rose Morning Flower Wall for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much, Rose Morning, for sending me this flower wall. If you would like to get this flower wall or many similar one on the rosemorning.com website, link will be in the description of this video. Also, use code co-elegant creators to save an extra 10% off your purchase. I cannot wait to give my first initial opinion on what I think of this flower wall. So if you've been watching my channel for some time, you know that I love to share with you guys where I get my inventory, where I get the products that I use for my weddings, for my events. That's something that I love to share here on my channel. Today is my first time unboxing it, so I wanted to share with you guys on the process and how it looks like and how it looks like when you put it up. I am also going to be showing you multiple different tutorial on how you can use this flower wall. The name of the company is Rose Morning, so come here with me. So right off the box, this is how it is packaged. They package it, okay, right off the box. This is how it looks. I must say I love how they package the flower wall. I like how it's not just all scrunched up in there where I have to do so much work to make it look nice. So I love how the packaging looks so far, okay? And this is basically just extra loose flowers. All right, so I'm taking it out of the box. So as you can see, this is how it's packaged once I take it out of the box. Let's see here. So far, I'm loving how everything looks. All right. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna try to open it up for you guys. So you want to unroll it and, you know, be gentle, of course, on how you manage these flowers, because, you know, remember, this is a flower wall that you are going to be having on the long run. So you want to make sure that you protect your investment. If you're investing in something, you want to protect it at all costs. Make sure you're handling it with care, okay? So right off the bat, you know, as someone who's a DIYer, you know I love to be hands-on. You know I love to create things. One of the things that I first noticed of this flower wall is the construction of the flower wall and the materials that they use to put this flower wall together. And I must say I'm very impressed on the construction mechanism they use to put this flower wall together. And it looks amazing. This flower wall, it looks like it would not come apart, which is good. I also love on how heavy this flower wall is. It's not, you know how when you're dealing with flowers that's not good quality, it looks cheap and it looks flimsy. This flower wall, the construction of it and how they put it together and the flowers they use to put it together, it looks absolutely amazing, guys. Like seriously, it does. And I am very impressed at first glance of how this flower wall looks. Okay, and then second thing I love is I love this color. This color is a blush pink color. The size of this flower wall measures it's an 8x8, I believe. It's of course pretty long. It goes all the way down to the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and finish opening the rest and then put it together so you guys can see how it looks. Strings right here is to basically tie them together when you put them on your backdrop. And it also has a zipper too where you can zip it as well. So I love the fact that it gives you multiple different options. You can attach it onto your backdrop, which is phenomenal. I love that as well, that they thought about doing that. And this is something that I can see using for pretty much any event, whether it was a high-class luxury event, whether it was a wedding proposal, whether it was a, you know, an engagement party. You can literally use this for practically any event that you may have in mind. Even for a photo shoot, you can use this for a background for a photo shoot. It's really versatile. The color is amazing. The flowers look beautiful and very realistic, which I love. And yeah, I can't wait to put it together so I can show you guys. So I do have, I think it comes in 4 different panels that you have to put together. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the other box. This is my crossbar. How you construct it together is really no-brainer. It's super easy, okay? Especially if you are a beginner, this is your first time working with something such as this. When I tell you it's easy, guys, it's absolutely easy. So how you gonna go ahead and do that? Quickly, I wanted to show you guys, it does come with a slot. Let me move a little bit closer so you can see. This is the slot, okay? You're gonna put your crossbar through this slot right here. Attachment that comes with your flower wall, you're gonna go ahead and tie it into a knot. I love the option how they give you the option of whether you choose to tie it or zip it. So you see the 2 strings from each one. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it together. You do not need to be skillful to put this together. It is really easy to do, guys. It's very low maintenance work that you have to do to put it together, which I love, especially for us event planners. Anything that we can do that's low maintenance, that doesn't require so much to put together, is always a win and a plus for us, okay? Super excited to have reviewed this backdrop, and I really am impressed at how this backdrop look. This backdrop is a definitely must have because you can make great money, okay, with having this flower wall and your inventory, because you can really fluctuate on how much you want to price your clients for a backdrop like this. So definitely check the link in the description box below. I do have a discount code that you can use upon purchasing this flower wall. There's multiple different variety of flower wall color combination backdrops that you can get from rosemorning.com. So check their site out and choose your favorite flower wall that you would like to have for your next event or for your next client. This is how my beautiful blush flower wall looks once I'm fully done putting it together. Now, one of the things that I was paying attention to when putting this flower wall together is I wanted to be sure that as I'm putting the flower wall together, were my flowers falling apart? Were the flowers coming out? Was the flowers, gonna be all over the place? But I'm here to tell you that as I was putting it together, the flowers did not come apart. All the flowers stayed intact. Nothing was detached from the flower wall. The flower wall looked absolutely amazing. It did not matter how much I was twisting and turning, trying to put the flowers together. Everything stayed intact, everything stayed in place. Even though the flower wall may look like it's, very well put together, but does it hold up together correctly? And that was one of the things that I was paying attention to. It really live up to my expectations. I am completely blown away at how this flower wall look, and this is definitely a flower wall that I will be using for really any event that I'm hosting. So I highly suggest you definitely add this to your list of inventory items that to have for this coming year. You would not regret it, guys. I'm telling you this right now, you would not regret it. So definitely buy it if it's on demand. Even if your client is not asking for it, but guess what? You can make your client ask for it by just showing them pictures on how it looks. Who wouldn't want to have something beautiful as this for the event? It looks absolutely amazing, guys. Thank you so much, Rose Morning, for sponsoring today's video. I will come out with a second video to show you guys on how you can dress up this flower wall on different styles and different design looks that you can use with this flower wall for your events, for your clients. So you could definitely use those designs as mock-ups for your next event to showcase to your next client. So stay tuned, guys, on this channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Subscribe now to my channel so you can be alerted when I do post my next video. You do not want to miss out, guys. This is going to be an exciting year, and I cannot wait.